Welcome back to the channel, and I wanted to make a video to see if a queen wasp could be captured by a Venus flytrap, or if it's simply too powerful. Going up against my healthiest Venus flytraps, I'm convinced they can catch such a beast. However, these are huge. Queen wasps grow to around 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. As the wasp sits on top of a trap unfazed, I take the time to have a look at the incredible detail, the hairs and textures, and the mandibles on this wasp. It's not often you see queen wasps, and it's mainly this later time in the year as they prefer dark sheltered gaps like log piles, sheds, and even soil cavities where humidity and temperature stay stable. So my Venus flytrap and carnivorous plant room, aka the den, is perfect for them. But I wanted to show you something even bigger and more powerful that I find in the den, the European hornet. I made another video on this, and it was just too powerful and just ended up damaging loads of traps. These queen wasps are this big because they need the extra body mass to store energy for winter hibernation, which this one's going into soon, and it sustains the egg laying during the first weeks when they're back in the spring. But she'll disappear deep into a nest, never to be seen again. This trap she ends up in, as you can see, the teeth are bent backwards. It's had many captures in the past and it is no longer capable of catching any insect, but it did once capture wasps like this one, who was unable to escape. Back on the traps, she cleans and is very relaxed. Heads towards one more trap, the final fly trap, before she disappears into hibernation. Can she be caught? No. However, some wasps were not so lucky, providing the perfect food for my hungry fly traps.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.